Okay, good morning, good afternoon, everybody. Looks like the Dominator is it's leaking. So the problem is a carburetor that leaks when the gas is still turned on. It'll drip, and you'll notice it in your garage or maybe on the trail. I've had this happen before, and when you run Mexico gas, sometimes there's little critters in the gas sometimes. So I'm hoping that, I don't know if you could see it really good, but there's some slight tiny gum on that on the end there. I'm gonna clean that off, and hopefully that the gas will stop leaking. I am not a mechanic. In fact, I hate working on my bikes. I know some of my friends are watching this right now. Go ahead, laugh, but it's a beautiful afternoon. I thought that maybe take the bike apart, do this myself. Since it's happened to me a bunch of times, I need to fix that because I don't want gas to be leaking everywhere. There's tons of videos on YouTube on how to fix this. So while I was doing it, I figured I might as well make one too. So here's the float, and this thing is in here like that. When this thing goes up into like a little seat area, if there's any gunk on this or gunk in there, it won't seat properly, and it'll just leak and fill the bowl up and then come out the overflow line. Okay, I am not a mechanic, but I am just doing this myself, and there's probably better videos that you can see on YouTube. So keep searching if you want to find something a lot more in detail. So I'm going to put it all back together, and it should work.